So you might be in this really weird situation where for some reason, every time you go on Instagram or you're playing a story or a song or whatever, you might be seeing a little pop-up at the bottom that says something like, song currently not available, and you might be trying to fix that. Now, the first thing and the main reason why this ends up happening is that it really doesn't have anything to do with your Instagram account or whatever. If it's every song you're listening to through Instagram, then maybe that's a different thing. But if it's really just like on some posts here and there, that could be because the original poster of that song, so the copyright holder of that particular song, that may actually mean that they went through and they removed that particular song from Instagram. So that song is no longer currently available on Instagram, and it's not your fault, it's not anybody's fault. It's just the person who made that song just deleted it. So if I made a song and I put it on Instagram and then people used it and they posted about it on their stories and their posts and everything, but then I went through and I deleted it, well, that basically means that it's going to be deleted system-wide throughout Instagram. So there's nothing really anybody can do. It's just going to be deleted. So there's not really a way to fix that. However, if it's every single song or whatever, what you're going to want to do first is completely exit out of Instagram. So swipe out of Instagram, just delete it like in the background. You then want to go basically make your way over to your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store. So make your way over to wherever you downloaded Instagram from, and go ahead and just basically search up Instagram. So search up Instagram just like this, and you'll find the application within your App Store or your Google Play Store. Now what you're going to want to do here is tap inside of the App Store like this, and you want to go and update the application. So this is by far one of the easiest ways to fix this problem. I've seen so many people run into this problem, and this is, like I said before, one of the easiest ways to fix it. So go ahead and update the application, and that's really like an easy way to go and fix it for the most part here. Now if that doesn't end up fixing it, you may just want to go and make sure that Instagram isn't actually down. So you can do this by going over to a website like downdetector.com or isitdownrightnow.com. One of these types of websites that will basically show you exactly what's down and what's up and what's whatever. This will go ahead and show you exactly what's going on. So this is another way to go and fix the problem as well. And that basically, if it's down, you're just going to have to wait it out until they fix it. So that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.